Hi everyone, so I'm back today to share with you another journal. This one is a design team project for TsunamiRose using her Easter kit. Well, one of them, because there's loads. I think it must be the latest one. So I will link in the description box below all of the Easter kits. I've literally just put this top part on and it's still kind of drying a little bit. Yeah, so I'll link below in the description box all the Easter kits from TsunamiRose. There is lots and lots to choose from. So I've done a fabric cover with this one, and this fabric was actually sent to me from ARTYmaze, who is Andrea ARTYmaze. She actually wrapped up a journal in it for me, or a package that contained a journal. So I used that. I've been itching to use that. It's ever so pretty. So and I just thought it's nice because it's got you know, like blossoms, flowers and leaves and stuff on there. And I've used some Edith Holden here. I've used this image, and I've used some lace trim and some of this little beady stuff here. The journal measures 8 by 5 1/4, has one signature, 48 pages front and back, and it will be listed in my shop if you're interested. Now for today, which is the 9th, and hopefully this video will be up on the 9th because my videos seem to be taking absolutely hours to upload at the moment. I really don't know what that is. Sometimes they'll do it in 10 minutes, and you know, the next day it's, you know, the video's the same amount of time, you know, let's say 10-15 minutes long, and it will take 5 hours to upload. Really don't know what's going on. So anyway, sale. All my journals at the moment are on sale for today and tomorrow, so it's like a flash sale today and tomorrow. This will also be on sale until the end of tomorrow. My prices are in Great British pounds, so I'm here in the UK. I ship internationally. I get asked that a lot. I ship internationally. Postage is set out when you go into if you go into my shop and you put something in the cart, it will tell you obviously what region you're in. It will sort out the postage for you, and postage is flat rate. So if you bought one journal, it will be whatever amount it is. If you bought 2 journals, it will be the same amount. It won't go up anymore. Okay, right, enough about that. It's just these questions get asked a lot. So let's go inside. As you can see, I've stitched around. I've got eyelets, I've got ribbon as a closure. Okay, we've got cardstock here in the inside, and I thought I'd leave that because there's nice green tones throughout the journal as well. So this is obviously one of the full pages from the kit. We've got a double pocket here that is actually opened there, so if you want to shove something in there you can. So here, that kind of looks like I'm not sure, is that a bunny? I don't know, it's not, but an egg and a flower, I don't know, sorry Daisy. Got a journal card here, a little basket with the eggs in it, and here is a mason, not a mason jar, it's a bowl jar they're called, I believe. Here we've got Easter blessings, and there's somewhere to write. Just put some that cardstock on here as a tab. We've got a little pocket there, a little journal card there with the little chicks. How cute are they? And that goes in there. We've got another tag here and a postcard there with a cup and it looks like a decorated egg in there. And then we have here a little basket with a bunny rabbit. Obviously you can journal on there. We've got a side tuck here with a ticket on there as just a little tuck. Got a tag. Oh, look at the bunny in the cup, how cute. And then we got eggs and a little, oh, what do you call them? I know what that is, I can't think of the name now. Somebody will say, someone will know. Some lined paper. Here we have some monthly calendars that you can write on. That's just paper clipped on. And then here we have a telegram, and that is just clipped on there as well. We've got some lace trim, somewhere to journal, another pocket here, another tag, another postcard, and then this is just like a double journal card there. So that is that. Another full journal page, and you can do journaling on this area here. Got a pocket here with notes, a little library card there, another little tag, and then that was the paper, the cardstock that I used for the cover. I just backed that with coffee dyed paper and just popped on this little journal card there, and that goes in there like so. Then we've got another happy peepster, how cool was that, with a little chick in the basket with the eggs, and somewhere to journal. You can journal on here, somewhere to journal there as well. This again, another bowl jar tag kind of thing, and then that's opened there, so we'll just leave that in there like so. So it's like a double pocket. I just used a little bit of glue and I can't get it off my hands. Lined paper, another one of these. There's 4 of these throughout. That's just paper clipped onto the page, and another telegram there with a bunny and a chick. Centre of the signature, we have got tags. How cute is that bunny and that sheep? Oh, or lamb I should say. And 2 library cards, can't think what they were called, and 2 more of these, and they go in there like so. And another telegram there, and another yearly monthly calendar, some lined paper, double pockets here. We've got a tag, and then look how cute is the bunny there. And that goes in there like so. Somewhere to journal, blank bit for journaling, happy Easter, another pocket here. We've got a tag, again, lovely little bunny on there, and another library card, and another one of these. Again, that paper, that cardstock, sorry, is what I made the cover from. When I done the cover, I did layer that with a couple of, before I put the fabric on, I did actually put a couple of layers of coffee dyed paper on that as well, because the pattern that was on that side you could see right through here, so I covered that up. Little pocket, postcard, and a little tag, some lace trim here, another telegram, a telegram, just paper clipped on, another monthly calendar there, some lined paper, and we have a journal card here, a tag, a little bunny, somewhere to journal. We've got another little bunny there, how cute is that, and a tag and a postcard. And then here, somewhere to journal there. We've got another one of these. Oh, I never done the corner rounding on that. Oh, there's always something, isn't there? Always something. There we go. So that is that. And little chick on there. How cute is that? And that goes in there. That goes in there. It could go in here, but I'm not going to. It's too big. Too big for my liking. Actually, hang on. The 2 here. We will put that there. Okay. An extra one there. And that is the back. So that is the journal. So like I said, this will be listed in my shop. It's on a flash sale today, well, tonight and tomorrow. Like I said, hopefully it'll be up. The flash sale ends Friday the 10th of March 2023. Only saying that because you could be watching this video in 2 years time. So yeah, I just need to make sure that sticks down properly. If not, I'll have to add some more glue. So like I said, I will link TsunamiRose's Easter kits below in the description box. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.